Online forums are one of the most prominent communicative contexts in the modern world we are living right now. An online forum is an online discussion where people can talk through posted messages. There are many types of online forums with varying constrictions. For example, some forums have really strict guidelines requiring moderators to filter the messages posted in the forum. Online forums differ from chat rooms in the sense that forums are generally more organized as compared to chat rooms. Many online forums have decided to offer mobile applications to service the users. Online forums have a tree-like directory structure to guide its users to their interested threads. Forums are grouped into specific categories, then these categories have subforums. The subforums can have more subforums, but eventually leads to a topic commonly referred to as a thread. The thread is where communication happens. People post whatever they feel, then other people comes along and see the post and replies, although some don't reply but read only. Forum moderators serve the forums for any problems, fix bugs, and address the reports of the users. The communication starts when a thread is posted by a user. From that, other users will be able to see the post. These users act as receivers and may reply a feedback. The feedback may be verbal or nonverbal, such as upvote, like, dislike, and reactions. People who browse and didn't reply are still part of the communication. They also function as receivers. Moderators browsing can also be part of the communication since they are able to remove messages if deemed necessary. In some forums, the regional posters also have the ability to delete posted messages within the threads. Furthermore, as it relies mainly on the internet, online forums allow distant communication. In this large-scale communicative context, many types of communicative barriers are to be expected. To start off, its reliance on the internet already introduces a number of barriers. Network problems and internet interferences may disrupt the communication. Two other common communicative barriers present in online forums are language and cultural. With the seemingly unlimited range of coverage of the internet, people of different culture can communicate. Other barriers such as psychological, physiological, and psychosocial would depend on the users if such would be present. The communicative context within a thread or post relies on the general assumption of anonymity for all users. This is a huge communication barrier for the exchange of messages online, since anonymity erases the context behind the messages conveyed and received by the users. This means that it is difficult to discern the whole context behind the sender's message, such as tone of voice and body language, due to the lack of face-to-face interaction between the sender and the receiver. In addition, anonymity removes all background information about the user, resetting them to a blank slate. As a result, it is easily convenient for a user to assume an online persona that may or may not be similar to their true personality. Hence, anonymity grants users the privilege of participating in interactive online communication under the guise of an online identity. Due to the underlying assumption of online anonymity, the process of online communication in forums is often influenced by the exchange of messages between several users with their assumed distinct online persona. The benefits of online anonymity is that it sets the line for freedom in conveying a message, making online discussions less biased since there is little to no social hindrance for stating an opinion in a discussion thread. However, this empowered freedom of speech can be used to violate the social norms of online communication. For instance, a user can assume the identity of an internet troll, who posts offensive and inflammatory messages for the purpose of stirring discord in forum threads. Due to the privileges of anonymity, Internet trolls can easily get away with harassing people online since their true selves won't suffer the consequences. In a way, the existence of trolling in online forums can be a communicative barrier for a discussion. In order to address these barriers, it is the role of moderators to remove any unwanted comments and to ban violators of forum guidelines. Establishment of commenting guidelines is essential for promoting a civilized and orderly discussion in forum threads.
Yes.
Yes, gumagamit ako online forums.
Because in that subreddit, I get to know the opinions of other players about the new metas and I can apply them when I play. So basically, it's just me looking for strategies of other players and using it when I play the game myself. And it's actually proven useful. We got second place in a tournament last year, and in preparation for our tournament this year, we hope to grab the championship. And one crucial factor in that is searching for new strategies in playing the game, which is what I see in the subreddit for Dota 2.
Isa lang naman ginagamit kong online forum and yun ay 4chan.
Well, kadalasan Reddit lang naman yung binibisita kong online forum kasi masaya dun, may mga Dota 2 meta strategies dun. Saya niya ba sa akin? Very educational, very helpful, daming laman. Super cool.